Why does the entire room fall silent the moment one quiet person walks in? They do not have a loud voice, yet everyone naturally adjusts their posture. You can feel this subtle shift in a busy Mumbai office or a quiet cafe. We often think that commanding respect requires aggressive, loud dominance, but the real secret of presence is completely different from what you expect. In many workplaces, we are taught that the loudest voice wins the argument. People interrupt each other, trying to prove they are the alpha in the room. Yet this constant noise only signals deep anxiety and a lack of true control. The highly respected leaders do not play this exhausting game of social dominance. Science shows that their quiet composure triggers a powerful biological reaction. Our brains are wired to copy the emotional states of the people around us. This happens because of mirror neurons, first discovered in 1992 by researchers. If a leader is secretly anxious, that anxiety spreads to the entire team. But when a leader remains calm, their nervous system stabilizes everyone else. This is why some people instantly drain your energy, while others restore it. Think of the chaotic rush during a daily commute on a Mumbai local train. Some people carry that frantic, high-stress energy straight into the office. They complain, speak rapidly, and make everyone around them feel on edge. You leave a brief conversation with them feeling completely exhausted and tired. But a truly grounded person acts as a shield against this daily chaos. Imagine stepping away from the noise into a quiet, green Delhi courtyard. A grounded individual brings that exact sense of stillness into a meeting. They do not absorb the panic of others. Instead, they project deep stability. This emotional grounding is not a talent, but a set of 5 habits. The first habit begins with how they handle a sudden pause in conversation. When a conversation pauses, most people feel an urgent need to speak. They tell an awkward joke or check their phone to escape the discomfort. But highly respected individuals do not rush to fill the quiet gaps. They look at you, listen patiently, and let the silence breathe naturally. This ability to hold silence reveals a fascinating psychological trait. Psychologists call this rare ability the tolerance for ambiguity. It means you are comfortable not knowing the immediate answer to a problem. While others panic and make hasty decisions, calm leaders take their time. This quiet confidence makes everyone feel that the situation is under control, and it leads directly to their second habit when facing a sudden crisis. When someone provokes you in a meeting, your natural instinct is to fight. You want to defend your ego and strike back with a sharp comment. But highly respected people pause for a brief moment before they speak. That single second of delay allows them to choose their words carefully. This simple pause is actually a battle between 2 parts of the brain. A sudden threat triggers the amygdala, causing an emotional hijack. This ancient part of the brain demands an immediate defensive reaction. By pausing, you give your prefrontal cortex time to analyze the situation. This logical area acts as a brake, keeping your emotions in check. Before we reveal the next habit, we want to hear your personal experience. If you have a better habit or tip than what we share, please tell us. Please share your thoughts in the comments and subscribe to our channel. Your unique insights help our community grow and learn together every day. Now, let us look at how these calm leaders handle everyday accidents. The third habit is beautifully illustrated by a simple cup of hot tea. Imagine sitting at a roadside stall when a cup of hot chai spills. Most people immediately look for someone to blame for the mess. But highly respected people focus entirely on what to do next. They clean the table and order a fresh cup without any anger. This constructive response comes from a powerful psychological mindset. Psychologists call this mindset an internal locus of control. It means you believe you are responsible for your own reactions. You cannot control the traffic, but you can control your composure. This focus on action instead of blame makes others trust you completely. The fourth habit is about how they make other people feel valued. Some people always try to dominate the conversation, to feel important. They interrupt your stories and constantly boast about their achievements. But truly respected individuals make you feel heard and respected. They ask thoughtful questions and listen to your answers with genuine interest. This respectful behavior creates a safe space for open communication. In psychology, this comfortable feeling is called psychological safety. It allows people to share their ideas without any fear of judgment. A calm leader builds this trust by simply paying close attention. Now, we arrive at the fifth habit, which completely flips common wisdom. Most people think leaders must be perfect, but the truth is different. We are often told to hide our weaknesses and look flawless, but hiding your mistakes actually makes you look distant and cold. Highly respected people are not afraid to admit when they are wrong. They share their struggles openly, which builds a deep human connection. This honest approach is backed by decades of psychological research. Research by Brené Brown shows that perfection actually breeds deep distrust. When you pretend to be flawless, others feel judged and defensive. But showing your true, imperfect self makes you highly relatable. This is the beautiful paradox of vulnerability in modern leadership. To practice these habits, you need a few simple, practical tools. The first tool is the famous 4-7-8 breathing technique. Inhale for 4 seconds, hold for 7, and exhale for 8. This simple exercise immediately calms your overactive nervous system. Use it the next time you feel a sudden surge of anger. The second tool helps you change the way you talk to yourself. When a mistake happens, do not ask who ruined the project. Instead, ask what you can do right now to fix it. This shift in language moves your focus from blame to solution. It keeps your mind calm and helps you make rational decisions. The final tool is the most powerful way to build trust. The third tool is to practice active, focused listening. Listen to understand the other person, not just to reply. Repeat their main points back to them to show you understand. That is why the quietest person in the room commands respect. They make everyone feel valued, which is the ultimate key. True presence is not about changing your basic personality. It is about building small, daily habits of emotional control. As you practice, you will notice a change in yourself. Your calm presence will naturally inspire and reassure others. That quiet strength is already waiting inside you to be found.